So we have to concentrate people, and we have to orient people. Like, you have a daily protein requirement.
Right.
And our muscles are really what we have to preserve. So like, you guys are doing a really good job on the muscles.
My amino acids, I take them daily.
Yeah, twice a day.
And most people aren't doing enough for their muscles,
Right.
and they're not supporting their muscles, and they're not eating enough protein so that they can keep their muscles. Because if you've got a functioning brain and good muscles, you're going to make it old age and you're going to be okay.
Right.
Because a lot of the glucose metabolism, half the people now have trouble with glucose metabolism. If you got muscles, they can metabolize the glucose and you can handle your blood sugar.
Right.
So, you know, your average person needs probably a gram per pound of body weight of protein.
Right.
Now, almost nobody eats that much.
It's an enormous amount of food.
It's an enormous amount of
And
food.
it's a lot of
And if
pressure
you're
to
trying to
burn.
do an intermittent fast, you know, you're trying to eat all your food in a 16-hour window, you can't eat 150 grams of protein.
No, you can't. Even if you got 300 grams of protein, right? I mean, because of the absorption rates, we lose so much in that absorption.
That's right.
Right.
And
So
natural
then we would
resource.
have to eat even more protein.
That's
to
right.
kind of get a net effect, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
And of course, all proteins aren't equal.
Right, and it's unsustainable.